In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to insert a table in a rich text module in HubSpot. Whether you're building a website page, creating a landing page, writing a blog post, or editing a global rich text module, adding a clean, structured table can make your content more organized and easier to read. The good news is, HubSpot makes this really simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it step by step so you can follow along and implement it immediately. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, you need to open the HubSpot content editor. This can be any type of content that supports a rich text module. For example, you might be editing a website page, a landing page, or even a blog post. You can also follow these same steps inside a rich text global module if you're working with reusable content across multiple pages. Log into your HubSpot account, navigate to your content section, and open the page or post you want to edit. Once you're inside the editor, you'll see your page layout and available modules. Next, locate the rich text module where you want to insert the table. If there isn't one already on the page, click the Add icon on the left-hand side of the editor. In the search bar, type in Rich Text, then click and drag the rich text module into your desired section of the page layout. Once the module is placed, click into it to activate the editing toolbar. Now position your cursor exactly where you want the table to appear. This is important because wherever your cursor is placed, that's where the table will be inserted. Now let's insert the table itself. In the Rich Text toolbar at the top, look for the Insert option. Click on Insert, and from the drop-down menu, select Table. If you're using HubSpot's newer editor interface, you may see a small grid icon directly in the toolbar instead of going through the Insert drop-down. In that case, simply click the grid icon. Once you click the Table option, a grid selector will appear. This allows you to visually choose how many rows and columns you want in your table. As you hover over the grid, you'll see the dimensions highlighted, such as 3x3 or 4x2. Select the size that fits your needs and click to insert it into the module. After inserting the table, you can start adding your content. Click inside each cell to type text, add links, or apply formatting like bold or alignment. You can adjust column widths by dragging the borders, and you can continue editing the content just like you would with normal text. If needed, you can right-click inside the table to explore additional table options depending on your editor version. Once your table looks the way you want, review your page for spacing and formatting to make sure everything is aligned properly. Finally, don't forget to save and publish your changes. Click Update or Publish in the top right corner of the editor to make your table live on your page. And that's it. You've successfully inserted a table into a rich text module in HubSpot. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more step-by-step HubSpot guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.